In this module, you will learn the repairing procedure of a household tap. Good morning, students. We have been learning different fitting and repairing skills. Today, we will learn about possible defects in household taps, their causes, and the repairing procedures. First, let us see the different parts of a household tap. Taps come in many designs, but their essential parts remain the same. Please click on a part to see its name. 1. Handle. 2. Spindle or shaft. 3. Gland nut. 4. Stuffing box or packing. 5. Bonnet. 6. Metal disc holder or valve disc. 7. Washer. 8. Retainer nut or washer nut. 9. Valve seat. 10. Body of the tap. Which of the following is used to open or close a water tap? Yes, you are correct. You can open or close a tap using the handle. Identify the numbers of these tap parts in the image. Yes, you are correct. To which of the following parts is the washer attached? Yes, you are correct. The washer is attached to the metal disc holder from below. So far, you have learned about different parts of a water tap. Let us now see the possible defects in a water tap, their causes and the remedies. Defect: water flowing or dripping from the tap even when the tap is firmly closed. Defect: water flowing from around the spindle or stuffing box screws. Defect: spindle continuously slipping when turned and tap not shutting off. Defect: tap is hard to turn on and off. Defect: loud noise in the tap when turned on. Which of the following is the cause of water dripping problem of a tap? Yes, you are correct. Match the water tap defects with their causes. What remedy do you suggest if water is flowing from around the spindle or stuffing box screws? Write down your answer in the box given. What do you think is the most common problem that people encounter with household taps? Yes, you are correct. Often, water flows or drips from the tap even when it is firmly closed. In most cases, if the tap leaks even when it is firmly closed, the washer must be worn out or damaged. This is the primary cause of the water leakage problem. The repair procedure for the leakage problem involves opening the tap and replacing the washer with a new one. Let us first watch a short video on how to open a leaking household water tap and replace the washer on the metal disc holder. Please note that there are many different designs of taps. This video is showing one particular design that is commonly found in Indian homes these days. Click the play button to start the video. In the video you just saw, the following steps were used to repair the tap. Step 1. Open the water tap handle. Step 2. Remove the bonnet from the water tap with a pair of pliers. Step 3. Inspect the washer for damage. Step 4. Hold the metal disc plate with pliers and unscrew the washer nut with a spanner. Step 5. Replace the old washer with the new one. Step 6. Refit the washer nut and tighten it firmly. Step 7. Replace the repaired bonnet into the water tap. Step 8. Tighten the bonnet. Now, let us understand these steps one by one. Shut off the water supply by closing the main stopcock or the main gate valve. Ensure that the water tap is kept in the open position. Remove the bonnet from the water tap with a spanner. Inspect the washer for damage. Hold the metal disc plate with a pair of pliers and unscrew the washer nut with a spanner. Remove the washer from its seating and press the new washer into position. Note that you need to use a fiber washer for a hot water tap. Refit the washer nut and tighten it firmly. Replace the repaired bonnet into the water tap. Tighten the bonnet with a wrench. Do not over-tighten, as this can alter the thread of the water tap body. Close the water tap and any drains you may have opened, and open the main gate valve slowly so that the water flows back slowly into the water pipe system. Check the water tap for leakage. Now that you have seen the individual steps, observe the entire procedure in the video again. This time, try to observe the skills, the style and the pace of the repairman. Click the play button to start the video. Arrange these repair steps in the correct order. Match these steps with the right tools needed to perform them. What you have learned so far is the common repair procedure for water leaking out of a household tap by replacing a worn out or damaged washer with a new one. There are many other possible defects and corresponding repair procedures for taps. In the rest of this course, we will learn all these procedures one by one. Another common repair procedure is to replace the packing material in the stuffing box of the tap. This also involves 8 steps, just like the previous procedure. Step 1. If water escapes from the water tap's gland nut, close the stopcock by turning the handle clockwise. Step 2. Tighten the gland nut to compress the packing around the shaft. Step 3. Now open the water tap to check if the leak has stopped. If the water tap still leaks, the packing in the stuffing box should be replaced. Shut off the water supply by closing the main gate valve. Step 4. Loosen the gland nut from the bonnet by turning it anti-clockwise with a spanner. Step 5. Lift up the gland nut and clean out the old packing from the stuffing box. Step 6. Make a new packing out of asbestos rope. Step 7. Coil the new packing around the shaft and push it down with a small screwdriver. Step 8. Reassemble the gland nut tight. Open the main gate valve and test the water tap for leakage. Here you will have review activities to ensure that the student learned the second procedure, the differences between the first and the second procedure, etc. You have reached the end of this module. Our goal was for you to learn the parts of a household tap, possible defects in taps, causes and repair procedures for them. Please confirm if you feel confident that you learned the following things. No problem. Please study the module once more from the beginning. Congratulations!